Hey, and welcome to EdTech Hustle. So this is a PowerPoint presentation that I currently have, and I think it's okay, but what I want to do is to take this presentation and make it an interactive experience for my audience. So whether you're teaching a lesson or you're giving a presentation to colleagues, this is one fun way that you can take a boring presentation and make it into an interactive game experience. So the site you'll want to go to is here. It is called Wayground.com. Now I have several other tutorials on Wayground, but this is a great site. It's free to get started. They also have a business plan as well. But if you're just an educator or if you just want to try this out, go ahead, click this button, and you can sign up for free. Now, once you get signed up, you're going to see a dashboard that kind of looks like this. What we are going to want to do is to select this option that says Create a Resource. Now from here, we're going to choose this one that says Presentation with questions and a whiteboard, so I'm going to choose Presentation. Alright, so there's a few different options that we have to upload content. You can see a Google Slides presentation, a PDF file, but what I want to do is take a PowerPoint and make that an interactive presentation. So I just have to take that PowerPoint file, I'm just going to drag it right over here, and in just a few minutes, Wayground is going to use its AI to import the content, take this PowerPoint presentation, and make it a Wayground presentation with questions and slides. Okay, here we go. As you can see right now, it's asking me, do I want the whole thing or just certain slides? I can select the slides that I want. In this case, I'm just going to select all 16 slides, and then I'm going to choose next. Now, again, the AI is going to ask me what my goal is. I'll just say practice. So we want to reinforce the concepts in that presentation. And now in just a few minutes, Wayground is going to generate some questions for me. Alright, so after about a minute or so, you can see that 16 questions were generated. Now, if I scroll through here, you can see that this is all multiple choice questions, although there is an open-ended question right here. So these 16 questions are great, but maybe you think, well, this is maybe too long for this particular lesson, so you can go through and you can get rid of any questions that you don't want. So if you don't want these AI questions, you don't have to include them, but it is kind of nice to have that ability for you. Now, what you can do is you can edit or reorder any of these questions or slides if you would like. And these questions are basically just going to be like another slide. They're inserted after each individual slide. So let me go ahead and choose this button that says Start Editing. And here we are. Now, there are some things that you can't quite edit, so you can see how the N of reconstruction kind of shows up down here rather than over here to the right. I guess that's just an orientation thing when the PowerPoint slides were converted to the format that Wayground uses. You can't quite fix this, so these are just things that you have to live with. You can replace images, or if you go to each of these questions, you can replace these questions or any answers. So you do have that option. Obviously, once you get here, you can copy and paste materials if you would like here. But for the most part, I think this looks pretty good. So I'm just going to leave this the way it is, and I'm going to choose the option that says Publish. To save this, you just want to enter your information if you want, and you can even add a cover image. Now, the only choice you have if you have a free account like I have is this option where it says publicly visible. These two options will require you to purchase a plan in Wayground, but I'm just going to leave this the way it is, and I will hit save. And now, here we are. You can see that I have my project here. If I want to, I can just kind of go through and preview what each one of those slides are. So the fun part, I have this quiz. The fun part, I have this interactive presentation created by a PowerPoint. Now let me go ahead and share this with my class by clicking the button that says Start Now. Some options for this game that you can play around with, but I'm just going to leave mine the way it is. I will hit Start, and right now, I'm ready to share this. I put this up for my class, for the meeting that I'm joining, and now I need members to join my presentation. To do that, right over here to the right-hand side, joinmyquiz.com, and you enter that code, or you can also create a link where they can join by clicking. All right, here we are. Side by side, you can see the teacher side, or what you would put in front of your classroom or your presentation. To the left-hand side, to the right, this is going to be what it will look like for a participant. So I'm going to go ahead and put in that code. And now I'm going to select Start. And from here, Wayground is going to walk me through the steps. So now it says waiting for host. I'm just going to say waiting for host to start. I'll just say start now. Here we go. Now, what's great about this is on my screen as a student, I'm going to see the slide, the same slide that I have up in the classroom on the main LCD panel or whatever you use. Now, as the teacher, I can go in and I can teach like I normally do. So let me go to the next slide. You'll see now the next slide is going to be a question. Everyone answers at the same time. I will just take this one. And after each question, it's going to tell the responder if they have it right or if they have it wrong. And then you can see in front of the class, it will go ahead and it will show you the overall accuracy of the class. Now, as the teacher, I can go to my next slide. Of course, the slide now is going to change for students as well. Once I'm done, let me go ahead and ask the question. What was the goal? I'm going to say that one I got right, and you can see now it's showing me the correct answer. All right, let me go ahead and do the next one. All right, I'm going to teach this. Now let me ask a question to my class. And I'm just going to pick, oh man, I'm really struggling here. You can see that I have one right and 3 questions. Again, it will show everything that's here. There will be a leaderboard as well if I select that. Next question, I'll go ahead, I'll teach this. I'll move to the next question for everyone. The main goal in the images, I will say, man, I really need to study my American Revolution. So this gives you an idea of how this can work. It's a really fun way that you can take a boring PowerPoint presentation or a slides-based presentation, bring this into Wayground, add some interactivity and some questions, and just make your information or this learning experience fun. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about Wayground. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment area below.